this is Dan Morales with North Point Bank. I wanted to shoot a quick video. It seems like we get a ton of phone calls lately, and one of the questions that I've always been asked as a mortgage lender is what are interest rates and what are closing costs? Interest rates and closing costs really are tied to your individual circumstances. Now, I know, like you do, that we can search and find interest rates all over the internet. The problem with that is, in most cases, those interest rates and terms that you see on the internet are not applicable to your individual circumstances or situation. Each interest rate quote really is custom, and it really is tied to your individual circumstances. There are a number of factors that can go into determining what an interest rate would be and what your cost would be. Generally speaking, I always tell people interest rates and closing costs are kind of like a teeter-totter, if you will, okay? The higher the interest rate, the lower the closing cost. The lower the interest rate, the higher the closing cost. Ideally, what we're looking to do is find the right combination of interest rate and cost that are the most advantageous for your individual circumstances. Oftentimes, people are looking at just the lowest interest rate, not really looking at closing costs, and what happens is oftentimes you could have taken a loan with a lower interest rate, but it really was the wrong structure for you in the end. So I always tell clients the best rate on the wrong loan is still a bad deal. Just remember, everything is really customized, and if you want good, accurate information, it requires us to be able to gather some information in regards to your credit score, your equity position, information about the property that you're looking to refinance or purchase. There's a lot of different variables that can really come into play that make a difference in what the terms are that are available to you. So I know it's easy to find quick information on the internet. Usually when you find quick information, it's usually the wrong information. So do yourself a favor, be prepared when you connect with your mortgage officer so that we can give you good, accurate information. And please recognize that oftentimes when we're asking for different pieces of information, it's just so that we can give you good quality information, a good quality quote, a good quality details, because without knowing some of that information, in all honesty, then it becomes kind of a garbage in, garbage out situation. If you give us information that's not accurate or not an accurate reflection of your individual circumstances, then oftentimes the information we're going to give back to you, unfortunately, is not going to be accurate either. So really important that you're honest, you give us good, straight forward answers to the questions that we have, so that we can give you good, honest feedback and good numbers to work off of. If you have questions or concerns or anything that we can do for you in regards to mortgage, please reach out to me. Again, this is Dan Morales with North Point Bank. You can hit me on my website, which is danmorales.com, and that's DANMORALEZ.com, or at 616-931-4629. Just keep in mind, most good lenders are busy, so it may take just a hot second before we give you a quick phone call back or shoot you an email back or a text message. And that's because we want to make sure we give everybody good, accurate information, that we're not just giving you quick numbers off the cuff that are unfortunately wrong. So the devil's in the details with the mortgage process. Make sure you work with somebody who pays attention to the details and most importantly has a lot of experience and can accurately provide you good information and take good care of you. Again, Dan Morales, North Point Bank. I look forward to having the opportunity to connect with you.